So today we will know how to share the audio of you Zoom in share the audio in Zoom, not of the join audio, not that. I am talking about screen share. When you do screen share and then you do screen share your screen, and after that you play a video on YouTube and the participant don't get the voice. So today we will talk about that only. So first of all, you have to go to your Zoom app. Here you can see the option of setting. Click on setting. Here you can see the option of meeting. So click on meeting. After that, scroll it down, and then you can see here use original sound. You can see, yes, you have to enable this option. If you have it is disabled, please enable it, and if it is enabled, let it be enabled. So after that, you have to go to the meeting, here this meeting option, and after that you can start your meeting by going back. When you get back, you can do screen share. No, first of all, before screen share, you can see option of enable original sound. So you have to enable